Field Control's patented ProCell design improves indoor air quality by reducing odors, smoke, and airborne germs. ProCell technology takes the photocatalytic oxidation process to a higher level of effectiveness and efficiency. What is photocatalytic oxidation, or PCO? PCO is a chemical reaction that utilizes a catalyst and a form of activation energy to break down complex and often toxic organic compounds into simple, safe molecules, namely carbon dioxide and water. A catalytic converter on an automobile is an example of this process to reduce smog. Toxic gasoline byproducts that would contribute to smog are converted under pressure and heat into safe and breathable carbon dioxide and water vapor. What is ProCell technology? ProCell is an advanced, patented form of PCO used for indoor air treatment. The patented ProCell technology uses titanium dioxide-coated honeycomb aluminum as a catalyst and powerful UV light as the activation energy to trigger the reaction. When harmful VOCs, gaseous contaminants, and odors contact the catalyst surface, they're converted to harmless, odor-free water vapor and carbon dioxide. ProCell technology is effectively used in hospitals, airports, retail stores, casinos, commercial offices, and in homes. This is important because the average person spends 87% of their life indoors, according to the Environmental Protection Agency. The EPA also states that indoor air can be as much as 2 to 5 times more polluted than the air we breathe outdoors. Indoor air can be dirty and unhealthy. The unique ProCell honeycomb aluminum design significantly increases the surface area of the catalyst and exponentially magnifies the effectiveness of the UVC light. The layer of air-fresh carbon captures excess odors. ProCell is powerful protection that is certified ozone-free. Field Controls manufactures a full line of whole-house air purification systems that feature ProCell technology like the Healthy Home System Trio and Duo series purifiers. Unlike other products, Field Controls does not use ozone. Ozone has been shown to cause cancer and is regulated by the EPA. Go to fieldcontrol.com/pro-cell to learn more. Field Controls, improving indoor air quality for indoor air that's fresh, clean, and pure.